The first step in penetration testing is to gather information. Usually, we have two different kinds of information. We have the passive information and active information. Passive information is the information that you are gathering from public website. You are searching on Google, you are searching on social media website, but you are not interacting with the victim. While active information is the opposite. Gathering information is a very important phase inside while you are doing penetration testing. And if you spend enough time and enough effort, for sure you will get enough information to let you plan for the attack and to make sure that the attack will be successful. So we're going to start about how to gather passive information using Kali Linux. I'm going to start with Google search. Google search, it's the first tool of getting passive information. Except you need to know how to use Google in a proper way. But before starting and before showing you how to search Google and how to use search operator, what is the first thing that you're gonna check about your target? Assume that your target is a company. So what is the first thing to check? Definitely their website. You need to check their website. You need to understand what service they are providing, how the site look like, maybe getting some email, maybe getting a contact information, maybe check if the site is well done. I mean, if the site it's not very well done and prepared and the HTML code it's messy, maybe that indicates they didn't spend that much time on that they didn't spend much time or money on their website, and accordingly maybe they didn't spend that much time on security if they didn't spend on the site. So definitely they didn't spend anything or they didn't spend that much on security. So the website, it's your first searching tool, checking the victim website if your victim is a company. Now, when we are talking about searching, Google will help you to get a lot of information about the site. So, for instance, if I search for Microsoft.com, so he's gonna search all the Microsoft website.com, the domain and the subdomain. And as you can see, this is the amount of results that was found. Now, can I be more specific? Because maybe he will get me some website that do not belong to Microsoft, but inside the site itself, they mention something about Microsoft. So I get a huge amount of website. No, I just need Microsoft website. So I can use a search operator like this operator, site, and then, and we can put them Microsoft.com. So by using the site operator, I can search for only the site that has Microsoft in the site name. So as you can see, I was able to get Microsoft. I was able to get the subdomain. This is a subdomain from Microsoft. So I'm getting only the URL that has Microsoft inside. This is by using site. I can even extract some of them. I mean, what if I'm looking for all subdomain except the main domain? I don't want the search to have www.microsoft.com, but I need the other domain. And by the way, did you notice that the amount of output for the search has decreased? So I can put the sign minus site semicolon Microsoft.com. I'm sorry, it should be www.microsoft.com. Let me correct this. So what exactly this operating is saying, okay, I want you to search for anything that has inside the site name Microsoft.com except exclude the www.microsoft.com. So get me anything except this one, www.microsoft.com, and anything that has this specific site. And as you can see, we are getting everything except the www.microsoft.com. So we're getting all the subdomains. Okay. What if I want to search for file inside Microsoft PowerPoint presentation inside Microsoft that has the term penetration testing?